Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Prudent celebrates 8th anniversary. Politicos, social activists and journos congratulate Prudent. Wish Prudent a bigger success. Prime Minister Modi launches Clean India, urges Indians to devote time for cleanliness. 50 tons garbage collected on first day of Swachh Bharat in state offices. Safety at Bonla Zoo in question following Delhi Park tiger attack case. Fencing for crocodile, tiger, wild bear and leopards not enough. No alert alarms, Prudent reports. Helmets compulsory for rider and pillion riders on highways. On the first day of enforcement, motorbike riders seen wearing helmets. Pillion riders still take it casually. And India beat Pakistan to win gold medal in Asian Games hockey. India clinched victory in thrilling penalty shootout. India qualify for Rio 2016. Now the news in detail. We are 8 today. Prudent celebrated its 8th anniversary on Tuesday. Prominent personalities from various fields of politics, social, industry, journalists, NGOs, artists and activists wished and congratulated Prudent for its 8-year-long successful journey. Wishes were pouring in from all sections of society.
गेल्या 8 वर्सां प्रुडंटान एक बरें काम केलां आनी अनेकदां हांवें टिकाय केल्या पण टिका सुद्दां केली जाल्यार एक गजाल लक्षांत दवरूंक जाय की मिडियाचो रोल हो मिडियाक करचोच पडटा.
On the 8th anniversary of Prudent, I wish them all the success. They have done a very good job in the interest of the state of Goa.
प्रुडंटाचं 8वं वर्धापन दिन ह्या निमतान हांव प्रुडंटाच्या परिवाराक सगळ्यांक शुभेच्छा दिता.
My really best wishes to Prudent on this anniversary day.
Prudentaक शुभेच्छा हांव दिता आनी परबीन
रेनी डे फिल्मान पसून तो चॅनल तुम्ही पळयला आसतलो की तो चॅनल गोंयान सबंद गोंयभर जावपी
प्रुडंट मिडिया चॅनलाक तुमचे खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. तुम्ही खूप बरें काम करतात आणि असेच करत रावात.
8 वर्सां हांव तुमचे बरोबर आसा आनी प्रुडंटान जितलें काम केल्लें आसा ते खंयच्याच चॅनलान आज मेरेन केलें ना.
गांवांनी प्रुडंट मिडिया पाविल्ल्यान ज्यो गांवगिऱ्या वाठारांत तश्यो हेर शारांनी ज्यो घडामोडी घडटात त्यो तात्काळ लोकां मेरेन पावोवपाचें काम योग्य पद्दतीन प्रुडंट मिडियान केलां. ताका
I want to wish Prudent all success because for the last 8 years they have been showcasing jikke problems. It could be in mining belt, it could be in tourism sector or anywhere in Goa. They were the first people who showed it.
I wish Prudent all the best. We can see a lot of investigative journalism that is happening.
It is the responsibility of responsible media like Prudent to challenge the limits, not to limit the challenges.
8 वर्सां सक्सेसफूल अशी कंप्लीट करता आणि ही फुडली येता ती वर्सां तेंची भरभराटीची आणि बरी प्रोग्रेसाची वयची.
Goa Government Employees Association wishes Prudent Media a long success.
प्रुडंट मिडिया आमी जाणाच गोंयान अनबायस एंड स्टेट फॉरवर्ड न्यूज चॅनल बरें काम करून आयल्या.
तांकां बरीच एक देवान तांकां शक्ती दिवची. हें सदांच हें चॅनल मुखार व्हरपाक लोकां मदें हाडपाक. ऑल द बेस्ट.
हांव तुमकां सांगूं सोदता आनी शुभेच्छा दिवंक सोदता ह्या 8व्या एनिवर्सरी वेळार की तुमचें प्रुडंट जें पळय चॅनल आसा तें एकदम बरें काम करता आनी अशेंच बरें काम करीत तुमी रावचें.
ह्या 8 वर्सांत जायते ज्वलंत प्रश्न तुमी वयर काडले. लोकांच्यो समस्या तुमी सरकारा मुखार मांडल्यो.
प्रुडंटच्या 8व्या वर्धापन दिनाक म्हज्यो आनी समस्त दिवचलकारांच्या वतीन हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
मिडियाक 8 वर्सां जाली आनी ताजी म्हजी हार्दिक शुभेच्छा दिता. Over the period of time, I think this is one of the fastest growing channel in Goa. It has been catching all the mediums what a Goan would like to watch.
प्रुडंट मिडियाच्या वर्धापन दिसा निमतान हांव तांकां मनापासून परबी दिता. फाटल्या कांय वर्सांनी आमी पळयतात की प्रुडंट मिडिया हो खऱ्या अर्थान गोंयकारांचो आवाज जाला.
I will not litter or allow anyone to litter. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched Clean India campaign as a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi on his 150th birth anniversary. Modi picked a broom and swept the streets of the national capital on Thursday. He has urged Indian citizens to devote at least 2 hours every week towards cleanliness. The state government offices are also getting cleaned up. Almost 50 tons of garbage was collected on the first day.
ये काम सरकार का सिर्फ नहीं है, ये काम सिर्फ मंत्रियों का नहीं है, ये काम सिर्फ सामाजिक संगठन समर्पित समाज सेवकों का नहीं है, ये जन सामान्य का काम है. और जितना ज्यादा हम जन सामान्य को जोड़ेंगे, लाभ होगा.
Government employees were also part of Swachh Bharat and Nitar Goy campaign in the state on Thursday. Employees of Mines Department, Fire and Emergency Services, GSPCB and Secretariat were cleaning their own offices. Almost 50-ton garbage was collected on day one.
It is estimated that each office would probably be able to give us around half a ton of waste, a mix of e-waste and normal waste, that is paper, etc. And if you take 103, would be about 50 tons that the collection would be totaling to by the course of the end of the day. Now, this would be transported in trucks to either the station at Kakora or at Sarvana for onward processing, baling and sending to Asabdata Cement Factory.
So wherever there are municipalities, we will link up to some of these municipalities which are already collecting door to door. Besides, some 81 panchayats are also collecting door to door. So that also we will link up, and then in the end we will take this and scientifically dispose it of this waste.
मी आता प्रत्येक आठवड्याक 2 वरां अशी स्वच्छता अभियान करतले. सदांच आमी करतली, पूण 2 वरां मुद्दम आणि एक्स्ट्रा एक्सक्लुझिव्ह आणि कितें चडशें काम आसा तें आमी करतली.
Union Minister Shripad Naik started the campaign at Karmali railway station.
गार्बेजाची समस्या ही सगळीकडेन आसा. ती गार्बेजाची समस्या सुट्टलो. बाकी प्रोजेक्ट केन्ना गार्बेज सॉलिड वेस्टाचे प्रोजेक्ट लागता, परंतु आमी जर आमचे कडेन जाता ती स्वच्छता आमी पाळ्ळी जाल्यार खुबशा प्रमाणात आमचो देश स्वच्छ जावंक शकता.
At Madgaon, employees of Fire and Emergency Services were seen busy cleaning the department and even railway station.
महात्मा गांधीचो जाणी फोटोक हार सुद्दां घालूना केन्नाय, घालपाक नकार दिलो. महात्मा गांधीची तत्वां कशी सोपची ह्या देशांत असो प्रयत्न केलो. 50-60 वर्सां ज्या लोकांनी केले ताजे वंशज जे आसात ते बरे तरुण भुरगे आसात, तांकां समजता. त्यांनी हे स्वच्छता मोहीम हातांत घेतल्या हाचो आमकां आनंद जाता.
PES college students from Ponda also took part in the campaign.
महात्मा गांधीचे विचार घेऊन आम्ही पुढे वचपाक जाय. देश आमचो स्वतंत्र झालो, आमची प्रगती झाली आणि आम्ही जगार आयज कमी आम्ही ना. अमेरिका म्हटलं मग असं चायना, अमेरिका त्याचबरोबर आम्ही बी आसात.
On the other side, Goa Pradesh Congress also participated in the Clean India campaign wholeheartedly.
स्वतः गांधी जयंती केल्या बरी आनी एशको सगळे साफ करपाक कित्याक परिकरांनी कांय काम जावन हे आमकां करूं पडटा सर. म्हाका
I hope like Kadamba and other departments they continue this drive every day. This drive should not be only for photographs. This drive should be from the heart.
Prime Minister said that maintaining cleanliness is responsibility of every individual. Lakhs of people have joined the campaign, but still there are people who continue littering and dirtying the public places. Seems like Gandhigiri is not their cup of tea. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.